Have you ever wondered if a log splitter could run on batteries? Well, today's the day, because Ryobi has just launched their new 40-volt HP Kinetic log splitter that runs fully on batteries. Being an absolutely cordless kinetic log splitter, the tool has created hype among woodworking professionals and tool enthusiasts. This kind of log splitter basically operates on stored kinetic energy that swiftly splits larger, thicker wood logs. And when running this powerful tool on batteries, there will definitely be questions about efficiency. That's why we've made this video, so that you can get all your answers right away. Right up front, as you can see how it rammed into that solid piece of steel, the overall look is streamlined and intuitive at first sight. But our focus shifted as we were about to test it with some wood. Using the log splitter turned out to be so simple. First, we want to show you these larger wheels at the back. These 11-inch all-terrain wheels made moving it around a smooth experience. They made it a breeze to move around, whether we were pushing it forward or pulling it backward. Terrain wasn't a concern, even on uneven ground. And these wheelbarrow-style gripped handles you see here helped us with hassle-free moving with the needed convenience. The 40-volt battery seamlessly fits onto the back. While it isn't fully waterproof, but it boasts a water resistance rating. Now we have the power switch conveniently located right there, so easy to reach. Just a push of the button and the tool will roar to life. That sound is big. And here we have a couple of levers, which are for neutral and safety modes. The top lever you see here is the key player. Just push it down or forward, and it will effectively initiate the splitting action. Upon using the Ryobi Kinetic log splitter, we must say, it delivered an impressive performance that truly stood out. With its unparalleled power of up to 12 tons of force, it easily outclassed an 80cc gas machine while being environmentally friendly. One of the standout features of this log splitter was its battery-powered design. Not only did this eliminate the hassle of dealing with gas-related issues like maintenance, fumes, and refueling, but it also significantly reduced operating costs. The brushless motor comes paired with a 4.0 AH battery. Ryobi says it can churn out up to 150 splits per charge. If the claim is accurate, then it's going to be a great aid for firewood cutting professionals. The log splitter's prowess wasn't just limited to its battery power. When we tried to split logs up to 20 inches long and 10 inches wide, it was performing pretty well. Ryobi also said the kinetic splitting function of this new log splitter is a true game changer that boasts a lightning-fast 2-second cycle and an incredible 10 times faster splitting rate. So, every task will take less time than ever before. Obviously, it depends on the type and thickness of the wood. As for the design, Ryobi just nailed it. Weighing in at 177 pounds, the log splitter felt solid and sturdy, thanks to its heavy-duty steel frame. What's more, its ingenious design allowed for easy one-person maneuverability. Once we were done for the day, we had a concern about how strong this big tool could be. But the thoughtful mechanism of this splitter surprised us with its compact transformation and vertical storage position. This not only saved space in our workshop, but also showcased Ryobi's commitment to practicality. If we talked about the price point, this log splitter comes with two pricing choices. You can get the bare tool at $899, and if you want the comprehensive kit, it will cost you around $1,000. The kit includes a 40-volt 4.0 AH battery and a dedicated charger. Okay, that was everything about the new Ryobi Kinetic log splitter. Our experience with the tool has been nothing short of impressive. Its cordless power, efficient battery operation, and thoughtful design make it a standout tool in the world of firewood cutting. Although the initial investment might raise eyebrows, the long-term benefits are what matters the most. So, if you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and user-centric solution for your wood-splitting needs, check out this Ryobi log splitter at least once.